Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is Nari Adalats. It is a unique initiative launched by Center to set up women-only courts known as Nari Adalats. These are work as alternative dispute resolution forum, means resolving disputes between the parties without judicial intervention. What all issues are taken care by Nari Adalats means domestic violence, property rights, countering patriarchal system. Patriarchal system means father-headed family system. In patriarchal system, head of the family will be the father. These issues can be taken care by Nari Adalats. This Nari Adalats will works under Ministry of Women and Child Development, that too under the Mission Shakti scheme of same Ministry of Women and Child Development. Aim of the Mission Shakti scheme is to strengthen the safety, security and empowerment of women. This is the aim of this Mission Shakti scheme, and Nari Adalats also works under this Mission Shakti scheme. How this will launched means, what is the process means, this is the scheme launched on the pilot basis means first it will launched in 50 villages of Assam and Jammu Kashmir. Afterwards, in the period of 6 months, this scheme Nari Adalats will be set up in entire country. How it will be implemented means in the collaboration with Ministry of Panchayat Raj, Ministry of Rural Development and Common Service Centers, which are operated by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology Ministry. What is the constitution of Nari Adalats means? It is consist of 7 to 8 members. Those are known as Nyaya Sakshis. These members will be called as Nyaya Sakshis. And in this 7 to 9 members, half members will be elected members of Gram Panchayat and half members will be the women who will be teacher, doctor and social workers, and these women will be selected by the villagers only, where this Nari Adalats will be set up. And head of the Nari Adalats is known as Mukhiya, and he will be chosen among these members only for the period of 6 months. These Nari Adalats not only address individual cases but also raise the awareness about social schemes which are related to women. And from where government got inspiration means from the Parivarik Mahila Lok Adalat scheme, and this scheme is initiative of National Commission of Women. Through this scheme, government got inspiration to set up Nari Adalats. Thank you guys. We'll meet in next video. Thank you for watching.